Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of SoFi's availability outside the United States. SoFi, or Social Finance, is primarily a US-based company. Their products and services, including banking, loans, and investment accounts, are generally available only to US citizens, permanent residents, or non-permanent residents with a supported US visa. You also typically need a U.S. address and a social security number or ITIN to open an account. While you can't open a full account from outside the U.S., you can use a SoFi debit card for international transactions. These cards are linked to the MasterCard network, so they can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted. A major benefit is that SoFi does not charge foreign transaction fees. However, MasterCard may add a small fee for purchases overseas. SoFi has made some moves to expand internationally. They previously had a presence in Hong Kong for SoFi Invest. As of August 2025, they have also announced an upcoming international money transfer service. This service, powered by the Bitcoin Lightning Network, will allow SoFi members to send money to other countries, starting with Mexico. In summary, SoFi's core financial services are largely limited to the U.S. market. However, their debit card can be used globally, and they are starting to expand their international offerings with a new money transfer service. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.